Okay, we're making pasta, Mexican street corn pasta salad. Okay, guys, we've got rotini noodles that we cooked already. Said to cook them al dente. They're about that, round about that, al dente. Okay, and then it said to put olive oil on them, you know, to keep them from all sticky. Okay, so let's get them stirred up in here. And guys, mine are still hot. You can, to have a salad, normally it's cold, and you'd cook them ahead of time, and you would have them cold. I like this stuff hot or warm. So what I do is, of course, I have my noodles hot, and then I mix all my other stuff up, and what I do is the water that I boiled my noodles in, I pour over my corn, and I'll tell you about that later. Okay, now, what we're going to now, we've got a cup of sour cream. And this is our dressing, is what they call it. It's what we're mixing it up. Mixing up dressing. Get that bowl out of the way. Then we have a half a cup of mayonnaise, and I've already measured it out. Go on fly. And I have flies around here. Not a lot, thank goodness. Some of y'all have given me some tips. We have a ranch, so, and cows and horses, so they kind of come with the territory. Okay, and then we do a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We do 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Oops, about don't get in there. Goodness. And it said to do 2 big pinches of black pepper, guys. I don't have this in an opening container, so I'm just going to put what I would think would be 2 big pinches of black pepper. Whoops, sorry. And then we put a teaspoon of salt. And then a pinch of cayenne pepper, a pinch. Let's see if I got everything. Okay. And we have our lime juice. It says 3 tablespoons. Guys, I squeezed and squeezed and squeezed. I don't think I had quite 3 tablespoons, but it calls for 3 tablespoons. And then it says lime zest. And I zested and zested and zested. So now in here we've got our 1 cup of sour cream, our half a cup of mayonnaise, we've got our half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 pinches of cayenne, sorry, I'm glad I looked at that, 2 pinches of cayenne, 2 large pinches of black pepper, 3 tablespoons lime juice, a tablespoon of zest. And then that's our mixture. It's our salad dressing, they call it. So mix it up really well. Get it on you. It's not good unless you get it on you, you know. This stuff smells so good already. Woo. Okay. Now, I think that's mixed pretty good. That looks mixed pretty good. I don't see any dark crevices. Look at the color of that mix though, guys, with all the spices and all that. Oh, so good, so good, so good, so good. And then we've got a cup of queso fresco. I saved it. Well, I saved it so I could show you. I don't see it. Uh-oh. Okay. Queso fresco, anyway. And then we've got our 2 cans. Now, I did say this. 2 bags. This is what you're looking for. Roasted Mexican street corn. Roasted Mexican street corn. And that has all the stuff already in it. So you just pour that in there. And it does, listen, you can have, it actually says you can have 4 bags. That would be corn pasta. I mean, I don't even know what that would exactly be. But anyhow, look at this big old thing. Then we've got our 1 cup of cojita cheese. I've already, like, you have to, like, pinch it up and get it all little and whatever. I've already done that. And then you just put this over it. It says to save a little bit, to put over your serving dish, like if you're serving it to somebody and being all pretty. You know, it's just our family eating here. So we're just going to pour it in there. Now I got to get me a big spoon to mix it up with. There. And like I said, it said to save a little bit of it that you could put on the top. And guys, believe it or not, I'm going to get this on the website tomorrow because I know a lot of y'all want this recipe. And it is so good. Y'all need this recipe. Let me get me something to stir it up with. Stir it up to start with tongs because I can get down there and dip it up. Like that. Oh, it's looking so pretty. And it smells so good. And those of you that are in our grace box of the month, and y'all get the grace box, last month we sent y'all some of our spices that we mix up. And I cooked chicken with it tonight. Because that's normally what we put it on, this chicken. I want you to look at this chicken. It's so pretty. And see the red color? The spices make it look like that. I've just got 6 pieces of kind of 1/4-inch breast. And guys, all that come out of 2 breasts. And see, you can, look, you can make food go a long way by just cutting it a little bit, or like what I did with those, the breast, I just split them into 3 pieces because they were big, thick breast. And it's going to be delicious. But there we go. There we go. Our street corn pasta salad. Oh, man, and it smells so good. But like I said, now it does call, and I'll put on there as an option that you can put 4 bags of corn. And then you would mostly have corn. Because see, I mean, you still see quite a bit of corn. So 3 bags would be a lot. And this is, oh, wait a minute. This is 18 ounce. This is an 18-ounce bag. That's why I only use 2 of these. Because 4 bags would be 40. 18 and 18 is 36. So I'm close. You can put a little bit more corn. So that's what it calls for. Okay. I'm glad I got that figured out. But there you go, guys. That's it for tonight. I'll be back on, hopefully, to do a craft after we go over there and eat. I'm going to take this over to Sonny's, and we're fixing to chow down. All right? I love you guys. Bye.